my baby, got me staring at you.
Hello beautiful people, thanks so much for clicking. So today's video is a compilation of most of my butter and DIY videos. And guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and remember to subscribe.
I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
So guys, this is my first hack, and if you haven't watched this video, I'll put a link down below so you can go watch the full video. And so what I did on this video, I just took this elastic skirt and cut the bottom part of it and got this knot right here. And so guys, there's a video I made and people didn't understand how I made that knot, so this is how I did it. Yeah, and this knot was for this video. Most of you are asking me if I could do another video on how to make that knot.
Oh my baby.
It's okay, this was like my new thong, but it was a hack, and that will separate the butt cheeks and make your butt look bigger than it actually is. And then I went ahead and put on my underwears, and just like that guys, and that is one of the hacks that anyone can do, and it will work wonders, especially if you have a flat butt. You can do that, and then you can as well put on your butt lifters. And guys, there's a video I made on how to make a butt lifter. There's a link down below. You can
Take you around.
guys, after putting that string on and butt lifter, this is how my butt appear, and it is so big. Like guys, just look at that. Okay, this first part I had just worn the string, and then this part I have worn the string and the butt lifter. So guys, this is just a simple hack, anyone can do it. And then using the same string guys, since most of you could not make that knot, I decided just to come up with another idea, and that is to cut a new socks. Like guys, strictly a new socks, new and clean, you know. I just did that, and yeah, like that I did that. And then this is now the like underwear, and then measured to see if I will see any changes later. Then I put it on the same way you put on your underwear. Yes, just like that guys, and it was a very simple hack. Anyone can do it, especially if you have a flat butt, or if you just want to, you know, make your butt appear fuller or bigger than it actually is. And that was the end results guys, after putting on the string and the butt lifter, and that was the before and after results. So guys, this is just a hack that anyone can do. And then since most of you had asked me to do this hack on someone else, and this is my new model. So in this hack, she just rolled the body shaper, and then she just rolled it up until under the butt cheek. That was the before, and that was the after, and just a simple hack as that, and anyone can literally do this. And so this is another hack. It's just like the first one, but this one I cut from a pantyhose, like that. And then now for this, I didn't wear the same way as the first string. For this one, I just like fold it like that and then wore it, but now I didn't pull it up. Just like that guys, and boom, your butt is lifted. Then went on and put on my underwear. Look at this, look at the before and the after results. Like there's some difference, like you can notice there's a big difference.
It's
This vision that we share is ours.
Wow, and that's how it looks in my leggings.
We will see December.
And you see guys, it's so pretty. Like you can see some changes, some difference. And that is the before in this dress and the after. Like guys, who doesn't love this? Wow.
Now we've been through the cold
And then for this other hack, it was how to make it's actually a DIY, how to make a bad lifter. And what I did, I took these boy shorts, and then I just marked there the back, those ball dots, and then cut around the dots to get my bad lifter. Just like that, guys, and you save your money, you make your own bad lifter. And so guys, the links are down below. You can click them and watch the full video on how I did these hacks and DIYs. In case you haven't watched them, please guys click the links are down below in the description box. And that is my new bat lifter, like just like that guys, and you get your own bat lifter. And I also cut this body shaper to make another bat lifter. I put it on, and this is how it looks on me guys. Like literally this is a butt lifter, and this is something you can do it yourself.
the summers.
Wow guys, who doesn't love this? Like wow.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown,
And then this is how it looks in my bun.
I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold.
Another butt lifter guys. I'm in love with butt lifters and body shapers, and so I'm using this pant underwear that stretches. It doesn't stretch that much. So guys, for this butt lifter, I think we'll just have to watch the video itself, because like it has so much explanation. And so I'll also put a link down below. And so here I just cut an elastic band. All you need is just an elastic band and a pair of underwear, and then you stitch the elastic band on the underwear. So guys, for this video I'll just advise you to go and watch it. I'll put the link down below. If you think like this video it has been so fast, you can go and watch the individual videos, because in those videos are slow and I've also explained, so you can understand how I did these hacks and DIYs. And so guys, that is our lifter, and just as simple as that guys. So you have to save your money, and this is how it looks. Actually watch that video, the real video, and see how you put it on, what you need, what you require, what you're not supposed to do. So guys, I'll put the link up here or in the description bar. And so guys, like look at that, that is literally a butt lifter, and it is really working. It's just working like a real butt lifter.
It's all over. The love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
This is how it looks in my leggings, and wow, look at that guys, look at that. Who doesn't love this? Wow. And you can as well work out with this lifter. And so guys, you can also go and watch my other videos on hip hacks, hip dance. So that was it for today guys. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. So guys, remember the links are down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching guys. Love you so much. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.
Share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over,